Did you know that certain foods have addictive effects on your brain and body? Metabolism is the complex series of chemical processes your body uses to convert food into energy. It involves two main pathways: catabolism, which breaks down molecules to produce energy, and anabolism, which uses energy to construct cellular components like proteins and nucleic acids. The speed at which these processes occur is your metabolic rate, influenced by factors like age, sex, muscle mass, and activity level. Metabolism is crucial for maintaining life, providing energy for vital functions like breathing, circulating blood, and repairing cells. What are the effects of fatty food? Fats are essential macronutrients that provide a concentrated source of energy. They are vital for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, and are key components of cell membranes. However, excessive intake of seed oils and trans fats can lead to weight gain and increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases by raising LDL cholesterol levels. Healthy fats, like omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and flax seeds, support brain health and reduce inflammation, contributing to overall well-being. What are the effects of carbs? Carbohydrates are the body's primary energy source because of its quick absorption rate. They are broken down into glucose, which fuels cellular activities. Simple carbs, like sugar, provide quick energy but can cause blood sugar spikes and crashes. Complex carbs digest slowly, providing sustained energy and supporting digestive health with fiber. Overconsumption of refined carbs can lead to weight gain, insulin resistance, and increased risk of type 2 diabetes. What are the effects of ultra-processed foods? Ultra-processed foods are industrially formulated products containing ingredients rarely found in home kitchens. These include artificial flavors, preservatives, and emulsifiers. Such foods are designed to be hyper-palatable, often high in sugars, unhealthy fats, and salt, which can disrupt normal metabolic processes. When consumed frequently, they can lead to an imbalance in energy intake and expenditure, resulting in weight gain and obesity. These foods are often low in essential nutrients and fiber, which can impair nutrition, digestive health, and slow metabolism. Moreover, the high glycemic index of ultra-processed foods can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels, contributing to insulin resistance. Over time, this can increase the risk of metabolic syndrome, characterized by high blood pressure, high blood sugar, excess body fat around the waist, and abnormal cholesterol levels. These changes can lead to chronic health conditions such as type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. In essence, regular consumption of ultra-processed foods can significantly alter metabolic health, leading to dependency and a cycle of overeating. What are the effects of high-fat, high-carb foods on your reward system? High-fat and high-carb foods activate the brain's reward system, particularly the dopamine pathways. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. Consuming these foods releases dopamine, reinforcing pleasurable sensations and encouraging repeat consumption. This is similar to the effects observed in substance addiction, where the brain seeks the pleasurable reward associated with the activity or substance. Over time, repeated exposure to these high-calorie, palatable foods can lead to neuroadaptations in the brain, increasing the threshold required to achieve the same pleasure response. This can result in overeating as the brain craves more of these foods to achieve the same reward, fostering a cycle of dependence. The continuous stimulation of the reward pathways can impair the brain's ability to regulate hunger and satiety, making it difficult to resist cravings and maintain a healthy diet. The heightened reward response from these foods can also diminish the pleasure derived from healthier, nutrient-rich foods, altering dietary habits. Consequently, the dependency on high-fat and high-carb foods can contribute to weight gain and metabolic disorders, further exacerbating the cycle of dependency and health issues. Can we use carbs and fats for energy at the same time? The body can use both carbohydrates and fats as energy sources, but it can only use one at a time. When combining both, it tends to prioritize carbohydrates. When you eat, insulin levels rise, promoting glucose uptake by cells for immediate energy. If glucose is abundant, excess is stored as glycogen in the liver and muscles. When glycogen stores are full, surplus glucose is converted into fat for long-term storage. Fat metabolism occurs primarily during fasting, low-carb diets, or prolonged exercise when glycogen stores are depleted. The body shifts to fat as an energy source through a process called lipolysis. Using both macronutrients simultaneously and in consistently high levels of both can promote fat storage due to insulin's fat-sparing effect, potentially leading to weight gain. All excess energy is stored as fat. What's inflammaging? Inflammaging is a chronic, low-grade inflammation that occurs as part of an accelerated aging process, contributing to the development of age-related diseases. It results from an overactive immune system, characterized by increased levels of inflammatory markers, such as cytokines. Various factors contribute to inflammaging, including genetic predisposition, lifestyle choices, and environmental exposures. Diet, in particular, plays a significant role, with processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats promoting inflammation. Inflammaging can lead to the progression of diseases such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, neurodegenerative disorders, and cancer. It is associated with a decline in immune function, increased oxidative stress, and cellular damage. Managing inflammaging involves adopting a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, regular exercise, stress reduction, and sufficient sleep. These measures help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, promoting healthy aging and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. What are the neurological effects of high-fat, high-carb foods? High-fat and high-carb foods can have significant neurological effects, impacting brain function and behavior. These foods can cause neuroinflammation, which is inflammation within the brain, potentially leading to cognitive decline and increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. The combination of high-fat and high-carb foods can also affect brain plasticity, the brain's ability to form new neural connections, which is essential for learning and memory. The altered reward pathways from consuming these foods can impair decision-making and increase the risk of addiction-like behaviors. Additionally, the metabolic stress from these foods can affect neurotransmitter production and signaling, leading to mood disorders such as anxiety and depression. Alzheimer's when combining high-fat and high-carb? The combination of high-fat and high-carb diets can increase the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. This dietary pattern leads to insulin resistance, which impairs glucose metabolism in the brain, a hallmark of Alzheimer's. The resulting metabolic dysfunction can contribute to the formation of amyloid plaques and tau tangles, which are characteristic of Alzheimer's pathology. Additionally, the chronic inflammation and oxidative stress induced by these foods can further damage brain cells and accelerate cognitive decline. Adopting a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and low in processed foods can help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and support brain health. Counting calories when combining both? Combining high-fat and high-carb foods often results in a calorie-dense diet, which can lead to excessive calorie intake and weight gain. Fats provide 9 calories per gram, while carbs provide 4 calories per gram. When consumed together, these foods can easily exceed daily caloric needs, especially when they are ultra-processed and designed to be hyper-palatable. The high-calorie content, coupled with the addictive nature of these foods, can make it challenging to maintain a healthy weight. This combination can also disrupt metabolic health, increasing the risk of obesity, insulin resistance, and related chronic diseases. Balancing macronutrient intake and focusing on nutrient-dense foods can help manage calorie intake and support overall health. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, understanding how certain foods impact metabolism and overall health is crucial for making informed dietary choices. Fats provide essential energy and support vital functions, but excessive intake, especially of unhealthy fats, can lead to weight gain and cardiovascular issues. Carbohydrates are one of the body's energy sources. Ultra-processed foods, rich in unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives, disrupt metabolic processes and contribute to weight gain and metabolic syndrome. High-fat and high-carb foods activate the brain's reward system, fostering a cycle of dependency similar to substance addiction. This can lead to overeating and diminish the enjoyment of healthier foods. Combining fats and carbs results in calorie-dense meals that easily exceed daily caloric needs, promoting weight gain and metabolic disorders. This dietary pattern can also affect brain health, increasing the risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Inflammaging, a chronic inflammation linked to accelerated aging, exacerbates the risk of various chronic diseases. Adopting a balanced diet, rich in antioxidants, and low in processed foods, along with regular exercise and stress reduction, is essential for mitigating these effects and promoting overall health. Prioritizing whole, nutrient-rich foods and being mindful of high-fat, high-carb intake is key to supporting metabolic health and reducing the risk of dependency and chronic diseases. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.